Hello dears, today we will check the eye structure. We learned about every single structure in the eye, but it's time to dissect the eye. Let's start. The first thing that we will do is to remove all of the tissues, fat tissues, muscles surrounding the eyeball in order to see the internal structure of the eye. By the way, this is not definitely a human eye, this is the cow's eye for dissection. Yalla. Now we removed all of the muscle tissues, all of the fat tissues surrounding the eye, and before going inside the eye, I want to show you the optic nerve. In the back of the eye, this is the optic nerve, and it's responsible for the transmission of electrical signals from the retina to the brain in order to see well. Let's start. The first layer before opening the eye itself from inside is the sclera. This is the white of the eye. It is responsible for protection and it's considered as the point of attachment for all types of muscles inside the eye. Definitely we have studied the iris muscle, the suspensory ligaments and the ciliary muscles. All of these muscles will be attached to the sclera. The first transparent layer, it should be transparent, but because we have a lot of fluids inside now, and please be careful because it's not nice at all if you found all of the fluids inside the eye on your body or on your clothes. So this transparent layer called the cornea, and it's responsible for the light refraction or the refraction of light in order to control the amount of light needed to be refracted on the retina. Inside the eye, we have two types of fluids. The aqueous humor and the vitreous humor, and both give the eye as what you see now, all give the eye the shape or of the spherical shape or the shape of the ball. I'm trying to get all of the fluids outside the eye. And now we have the lens. This is the lens of the eye. It's simply amazing. It is a convergent lens, and if you take a look, it magnified already the image. So this is the lens of the eye. Spherical, and the control of the size of the lens by the suspensory ligaments and ciliary muscles. This layer is the iris muscle layer, and as we already studied in the lesson, it's made up of two types of muscles, circular muscle and radial muscle. Circular muscle and radial muscle both control the size of the pupil, the dilated pupil and the constricted one. So now we took a look on the iris layer. If we go deeply inside the eye, we will find an area called retina and choroid. So the retina has all of the light receptors in order to convert light energy to electrical impulses, and the electrical impulses will be transmitted through the optic nerve. On the other side, the area that looks shiny here, this is the choroid area, and it has some photoreceptors, and in some animals we will find it like greeny, shiny, blue, degradation of color, and this is just to give a chance for the animal to see at night. That's all what I want you to see. On the back of the nerve or nervous if we open here, we will find the area called blind spot, and the blind spot is an area with no rods or cones, and this is to give a chance for the other eye to compensate and in order to see reasonable image. Now we have covered everything. Hope you enjoy the eye dissection. Wait for more and more videos if you are studying IGCSE or Core IG for Year 9. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.